Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about Cognizant salary hike in 2020-25. So big update from Cognizant. The 2025 salary hike details are now finally out and there is good news for consistent performers. Let's break it down in simple words actually. So details about the 2025 Cognizant salary hike eligibility criteria. First we will be seeing it. So nearly 80% of eligible employees up to senior management level. So senior associate level will get hike. Effective dates, the hike will kick in from November 1st 2025. So basic it's merit based, depending on your performance rating. The higher you perform, the better hike you will be getting it. Okay. So delayed factor. So unlike earlier years, this hike is coming 3 months just because late due to the tough macroeconomic conditions. Okay. So what is the conclusion for this video? So Cognizant is rewarding talent but being cautious with the timing. What do you think? Is 7 to 9%? I don't know what exactly, but they will be giving, but they have mentioned in the news 7 to 9%. Enough in today's market. Drop your views in comment. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.